Okay folks, working on a 2010 Dodge Ram, four-wheel drive, 1500, working on the infamous lower strut bushing that the bolt never seems to come out. So anyways, this side we've already removed, a little hard to see with the light, and this is the bushing. The bushing unfortunately spun on this one when I first tried to take it out. I beat on this with a hammer to no end, never succeeded. So we went on to a little more brute force. This is the aftermath of the bushing. We can see there's a slit in the side and some marks from the chisel. So I'm going to show you how I took this ugly pig out of here, and hopefully I can show you in a little bit how to put it back in. Talk to you soon. So on this truck, the strut was shot, the shock was shot. Nailed the curb pretty hard with it. Anyway, so the easiest way to get this out with that bolt not coming out and the bushing already pooched was simply take a saber saw, sawzall, whatever you want to call it, and just carefully cut that. Try not to get anywhere near the boot. I put a chunk of plate steel in behind to protect the boot while I was cutting in case the saw blade got a little out of hand, and simply cut these pieces off. And once that happened, this bushing had already spun, literally just popped right out. A couple of swats with a hammer and it was on the floor. And afterwards, took the air chisel and did a little bit of dinging up on the edge of the aluminum swing arm, very simply fixed with a round file, just to clean up the edges. And the strut itself came out relatively easy. Had to drop the lower ball, or sorry, the upper ball joint to drop the lower A arm down far enough to get the strut out. Didn't feel like using the spring compressors.